Okay, so in this example, we're going to show you how to use the Charter Business Pre-qualification tool. So if you forget how to get to the tool, simply go to ctg3.com, resource links, pre-qualification tool, and you will be led right to it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to log on with the password, user ID and password that we've sent to you, and we're going to pop in an address, and in this case I'm going to use an address in an area that I know that Charter serves, and it's as simply as popping in an address and a zip code and clicking on check location. Now what we're going to see here is an example of getting a yellow status on this address, and a yellow status is explained down below, where it indicates some uncertainty to the serviceability. So a site survey truck roll is needed. This is generally a good status, and as we were recently notified that with this type of status, Charter will eat up to $10,000 in construction costs, so that's definitely a good one. To continue this, which I'm not going to do in this example because I just wanted to show how to do a pre-qualification, you just submit the opportunity, add a few more pieces of information, and away it goes. Very fast, very simple. I wanted to show one other thing. I wanted to show a example of checking a site that is served not by Charter and served by somebody else. In this case, I'm just going to pick a Seattle address. And you know what? That's not a good example because I guess that's too popular of a building. Okay, I'm going to use an example of a address, our Bellevue address, 15821 Northeast 8th Street, and we're going to pop in a zip code, check location. Main thing I wanted to put here was just the way it looks like when a service address is not in a Charter area. It will come up red, which makes sense, but in addition to that, it will also tell us who the cable company is. So in this case it is Comcast, and it gives us a phone number, 800 Comcast. So it would actually tell us who to call. Now in this case Comcast, we actually do sell Comcast as well with CTG3. So we would run that through our Comcast agency. But if it came up and had some kind of an oddball provider, that it would tell us who that cable company is and how to reach them, which would still be handy to do. So it's a very good tool just in order to locate who the cable company is. Just another quick example is that or not really an example, but just I want to just point out that you can also click on the fiber order only. So if you're looking for fiber instead of coax, you can do the same process and click on fiber only. You will see up here that there are a lot of informational type things, links up here that's useful as well. when you go into the pre-qualification tool. And of course, we can always help you out. And you can always contact our channel manager, which is Dusty Newkirk. And Dusty can be reached right there. So there you go. That's just a brief overview of the Charter Pre-qualification tool.